Hi, my name is Corey Tomlinson and I'm a content marketing manager with Nuix. I want to take a moment to talk about a cool new integration into our core workstation product, something we think you'll find valuable during incident responses or forensic investigations. If you're familiar with RegRipper, you already know that it's a powerful open source solution that lets you pull information directly out of the Windows Registry. However, just like any other standalone tool, if you use it as part of your investigations workflow, you're forced to open it separately from your primary investigations platform, get the information you need, and import that evidence back into the case you're working on. Over the course of many investigations, or even within a single investigation involving several devices, this back and forth adds multiple clicks, alt tabs, and time spent navigating between screens. So we asked ourselves, what if we could streamline your workflow by integrating RegRipper into the Nuix Workstation? And that's exactly what we've done with our RegRipper extension. As you can see here, once the extension is installed, all you need to do is open your case, go to the scripts toolbar, enter the appropriate settings, load them, and run the script. The workstation will automatically open RegRipper and pull in the Windows Registry information you've requested from your evidence source. This cuts several steps out of your workflow and gives you more time to spend analyzing the evidence and completing your investigations. For more details about downloading and installing the RegRipper extension for Nuix Workstation, click the link in the video description or visit the Nuix user community at nuix.com/community. Thanks for watching, and look for many more product updates here in the future.